How to do a home inspection when you purchase a home. It's super important that you check and make sure your home's safe. It's not just about getting a good price for the home. It's also important to know that you're not going to have, a money pit where you're going to have to keep fixing things. And so what's really important is to have a really good inspection done. We always use McFarland Home Inspections, and this is my good friend Tom McFarland. What you do for a home inspection and why it's important.
The main thing that we're looking for overall is just general safety of the home. We do inspect everything as far as, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, roof, foundation, really focused on any safety concerns, and then educating homeowners issues that are here currently, how to fix them, and issues they may experience in the future based on the age of the home and items that we're seeing during the home inspection.
So if somebody said, I'll just go through it myself and do it myself, why is that? I know it's your business, and so of course you see the value, but I always try and talk clients out of that. And why is that? You guys have a pretty set list of things to check for and everything, right?
Yeah, I've personally done over 5,000 home inspections, so I've pretty much seen everything you can see, and have a lot of experience that way. And it's just, I think that's really what you're paying for in a home inspection is the experience and knowledge. Anyone can walk through and look at a home and see, it's in pretty good shape overall, but we go a lot deeper than that. We're not just looking at surface items.
I know another thing that's really a great selling point to you as an inspector is you're a licensed contractor. So a lot of times when people have questions, I found that it's been a huge value because you're able to talk, and because you're licensed, you can talk to certain things and say, yes, that is an issue, or no, that's not an issue, and this is how we can help you, kind of thing. And I know that you don't really go and help them do that side of things, but because you just mainly do building, but on the inspection side, it's a benefit to have you be a licensed contractor as well, don't you think?
Yeah, it's just another level of experience and knowledge that we have. It just, not only do we know how to find issues, but we know how to fix them and tell you how to fix them. And most things, you'd be surprised, most things can be fixed on your own, but there are some things that are going to require professional, and we can help direct you in that kind of stuff.
So if somebody needs a home inspection, it's McFarland Inspections, and give them your phone number.
That's 801-725-4774.
All right, thanks, Tom. Thanks. Bye.